What the? Oh, no! You gotta be kidding me! Oh, man! Somebody help! Hey, I need a hand out here. Oh, it's in my eyes. Oh.
Thanks for the free gift. This stuff is sticky and it reeks. My shoes are ruined.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me! Damn it! Are you serious? What the? Who does this? Ugh! Freaking soaked! Great, just fantastic. Purple, really?
Careful. Grab it and go. All right, hurry up. Keep your hood up. 1, 2, lift. Got it, go. Whoa, what? Oh, no! This fucking paint soaking my jacket and reach. My shoes are ruined. I can't see it. It's in my mouth. Damn it, look at the cars everywhere.
You just made a massive mistake, you hear me? This isn't going to end well for you. You have no idea who you mess with. We're taking this straight to a lawyer. This is harassment. This is illegal. You can't just spray people like this. Look at us. Our clothes are ruined. Do you think you can just hide behind a door? We're documenting everything. Cameras, paint. You're paying for this.
Stop it! What the hell? You gotta be... Oh! Son of a... Look at this. It's in my eyes. Who the hell puts a trap in a box? Huh? This is messed up. Damn thing's ruined, and so am I.
How dare you do this to my child? Look at him. He's 50 years old, and you humiliated him like this.
Mom, please, just
This is
stop.
abuse. You don't get to decide who gets painted like a clown.
I've never seen one work this. Hey, that's my porch. You like blue? Here's more. I'm down. Stay there. Cops are on the way. Man, this is ridiculous.
Now, this is Mom. Oh, you knew I come for it, right? You'll pay for this.
What kind of psycho sets all this up just for an Amazon package? You should be in jail or locked up in a mental institution. This is insane behavior. The police are going to deal with you. You're completely unhinged.
Hurry up, man. The street's empty. You just grab the strand and watch it. Got it. Hold on. Huh? That Santa just... Oh, shit. Ah! Whoa! Oh, God. All this just for some lights. This guy is crazy.
It's my lucky day. Hope it's something valuable. Sorry, bro, but I need it more than you.
Oh, my God! No again! Oh, my God! No again! Hey!
Dude, it's everywhere. Run.
I wasn't stealing anything. I was just walking through your yard and a reindeer exploded in my face. Who lives in a house like this? What kind of psychopath does something like that? Look at me. This is permanent damage. You did this. I'm going to sue you for everything you've got. You think...
Oh, thank God. Oh, what the... Ah, damn it. You gotta be kidding me. Son of a... Look at this. Look at me. Ah, come on. Oh.
Oh, you think you're real funny, don't you?
Some kind of joke?
You have an idea.
You just caused
You
for yourself?
ruined everything. You just
funny. Keep laughing.
Come on, grab it all.
Oh, now we can decorate our place with all this.
Yeah, grab it all.
It's everywhere.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God!
Hurry up. No one's out here.
It's stuck or something.
Just pull harder.
Okay, 1, 2.
Ah!
What the? Oh my God!
It's in my eyes! It's in my eyes!
It's pink.
You psycho! Who does this?
It was just a
What kind of
reindeer.
psychopath lives here?
I'm leaving. Stop it! What the hell? You gotta be. Oh, son of a! Look at this! It's in my eyes. Who the hell puts a trap in a box? Huh? This is messed up. Damn thing's ruined, and so am I.
Now this is Mom. Oh, you knew I come for it, right? You'll pay for this.
What kind of psycho sets all this up just for an Amazon package? You should be in jail or locked up in a mental institution. This is insane behavior. The police are going to deal with you. You're completely unhinged.
Hurry up, man. The street's empty. You just grab the strand and watch it. Got it. Hold on. Huh? That Santa just... Oh, shit. Ah! Whoa! Oh, God. All this just for some lights. This guy is crazy.
It's my lucky day. Hope it's something valuable. Sorry, bro, but I need it more than you. Ah!
Hey, that's mine. No, it ain't. I was here first. Let's go. Make me. What the hell? Are you kidding me? It's in my mouth. You ruined my hood. Oh, come on. You've got to be kidding me. Look at this. This is bull.
Thank you, God. I really needed another package.
Oh my! Damn it! What the hell?
You think this is funny? My husband just wanted to check the box. That purple bomb thing ruined everything. Look at him. Why do you even trap your own porch like some kind of box wizard psycho? This doesn't even make sense. Packages are supposed to be open. You should be the one paying for laundry and damages and emotional purple trauma.
Honey, please, let's just go home. I really don't
All
want
right,
to be
let's wrap
here.